Hi, here comes the eighth animal in the Chinese zodiac cycle. This is the sheep, or sometimes we say the goat or the ram. So in Chinese, we say yáng, yáng. So you see this Chinese character yang, especially the top part, it looks like the horns of the sheep. And for the people who are born in the year of the sheep, usually they're quite gentle and tolerant and also creative. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please check out other videos as well. And please leave me any comments, if you want me to write some other Chinese characters. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.